Quick question. How many PDFs do you have saved right now that you'll probably never actually read? Research papers, ebooks, reports, course materials. We save information faster than we consume it. And that's becoming a real productivity problem. Think about it. Most people do not have a reading problem, they have a time problem. You can listen while driving, walking, working out, commuting, but reading requires your full attention. Which is why tools like Any2 Speech are becoming interesting. Instead of adapting your schedule to the content adapts to your schedule. So let's test it. This is Any2 Speech. One of its most useful features is PDF to speech. You simply upload a PDF, choose a voice, select speaking preferences, and platform converts the document into audio. Honestly, it feels like turning a document into a private audiobook. And if you are someone who deals with long reports, research papers, ebooks, and study material, it's surprisingly useful. But the feature that actually caught my attention was image to speech. Let's say you have a screenshot, notes, scanned documents, image containing texts. Instead of manually typing everything, Any2 Speech extracts the text and converts it into
You've gotta
speech.
dance like there's nobody watching. Love like you'll never be hurt. SING like there's nobody listening, and live like it's heaven on.
It even supports multiple image formats and can process multiple images together, which is useful for students, researchers, and anyone who works with visual information, styles, and different languages. So you're not stuck listening to one robotic narrator for everything. And I think this reflects a bigger trend. We are moving from searching to listening, reading to consuming, and documents to audio. The same reason why podcasts exploded, the same reason why audiobooks exploded. People want information that fits into their day, not information that demands their day. So if you have a pile of PDFs that you will never finish and screenshots you wish somebody would read for you, you might want to check out Any2 Speech. Link is in the description. Also, I'm curious, if there was one thing that you could convert to audio instantly, what would it be? Would it be books, research papers, or a screenshot? That's for this video. I'll see you in another one with more interesting creator tools. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.